Kite it? Would have fried 1752, Franklin, storm, kite and rain. Key on string, world thinks, zap, truth, static, hair stand. Key glows, no direct strike, that'd kill. Lightning misses, boom, Franklin lives, proves electricity in clouds, charges jar, invents rod, saves buildings, genius, not suicide, city skyline, rods on roofs, kite becomes shield. Static not strike, science born in storm, smash subscribe for close calls.